Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Robinair AC machine and you need to replace the O2 sensor. Either you're getting a replace ID O2 sensor error on the screen, or an analyzer error 6 on the screen, O2 sensor failure. All this kind of stuff can show up on the screen. This is also, we'll replace the filter on some of the model number devices. I'll actually put in the description all the different model numbers that this will work for. But anyways, the first thing you need to do, it's really easy to replace this. We just need to first get the actual O2 sensor, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can get that sensor at really the best price you can get it for, and shipping is free. But it's really easy. We just need to take this front cover off of the unit, and then on the front right, we're going to locate this little black box here. And once we pop that black box open, we'll see our sensor is right here. So all we need to do is just unplug it, and then all we do to get this out, we just unscrew it, just turn it counterclockwise, and it will just turn out of it. And then take our new sensor, screw it in, plug it in, and then put everything back together, and we're finished. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.